Breaking news coming in now. The BCCI has agreed to tour South Africa after Cricket South Africa promises to suspend its own CEO Harun Lorgat. The BCCI then agreeing for a 2-test and 3 one-day international series. The tour of South Africa will happen in December. BCCI then giving its nod to the tour after Cricket South Africa have decided to suspend their CEO Harun Lorgat from any dealings with India. BCCI therefore getting its way as a CSA agrees to limit the role of CEO Harun Lorgat. Now remember, the entire issue had been one in which the BCCI had objected to Harun Lorgat's presence as a CEO of Cricket South Africa. Harini Rana now joining us with more details on this. Harini, it's very clear that the BCCI has got its way. There have been a lot of questions raised and raised eyebrows about the entire way this has happened, but somehow the BCCI convincing Cricket South Africa to take action against its own CEO.
Well, absolutely, Tina, what Times Now has been reporting, the fact that Harun Lorgat's suspension played a very crucial role in BCCI coming to this agreement with Cricket South Africa and agreeing to tour. This is, of course, coming at the back of, there were 2 meetings that took place in London on the sidelines of the ICC board meeting where Harun Lorgat, the CSE officials, along with the BCCI president met up. There was intervention by the ICC at a time when the talks failed in the first attempt that both the officials of delegates of both the boards met. However, Times Now has, as it reported last evening, that Harun Lorgat's suspension pending an inquiry. He will not be involved in matters dealings with the BCCI and ICC. In fact, there will be an independent probe that has been confirmed right now with this joint statement that has been issued by BCCI confirming that India will tour South Africa. It will be a 2-test match and 3 one-day series tour, which was, of course, curtailed. This, of course, coming after BCCI and South Africa have been at loggerheads with South Africa announcing the tour unilaterally without any confirmation from the BCCI. It's been a 2-month-long story that has finally concluded with BCCI getting its way. Harun Lorgat, the CSA CEO, has been suspended pending an inquiry, and of course David Becker's statement, which also played a very crucial role, where BCCI refuted all the claims made by David Becker, who's a close aide of Harun Lorgat, former ICC legal head and also legal head or a legal counselor to CSA. Now he will also be investigated. So as Times Now had reported, Harun Lorgat suspended pending an inquiry, but the big news coming in, the impasse has finally been resolved with India set to tour South Africa with 2 test matches and 3 one-dayers.
Okay, well, stay on with us, Harini. We also have former cricketer Atul Vasan with us. Now, Atul, the fact is that the tour will now go ahead. It was in jeopardy for the longest time. The tour will go ahead. The BCCI are getting its way, even as Cricket South Africa has decided to really look into the role of their own CEO, Harun Lorgat, and probably limit it to just domestic cricket. What is the message that goes out as a result of this?
Well, first of all, I'm really glad that the tour is on because I was looking forward to this tour, and thank God. I just wished it could have been 3 test matches. It would have been fantastic. But anyway, having said that, in a way now how the things have panned out, Tina, I think I feel that Indian board stand has been vindicated. Yes, you can say that they stayed South African board down because they need this tour badly, and in a relationship, power lies with someone who cares less. And India has already made alternate plans just to actually bulldoze South Africa to where it wanted. But I'm sure they have issues, and now they've brought the board around to where those issues can be addressed. And finally the tour is on. For a time, it seemed like India is the big bully, but they stood to the guns.